gate now. Solid the gate now. Solid kill this guy. Kill this guy. Nice kill. Come back now. Come back now. Def front. Guard runes. Cycle guard runes, guys. Cycle Judy's. Okay. We play it slow. We play it calmly. We play it diligent.
May nakikita pa kayo na sa labas, guys.
Going northeast sila. Northeast.
No need to rush. Okay. No need to rush. Okay. Look. Watch north now.
Some of them out.
Yeah, watch north now. Watch north now. Okay.
They're
Watch
moving
north.
northeast.
Stack.
They're moving northeast. They're mounting up.
Careful. Yo. They baiting. Just they baiting.
Lang, baiting.
They baiting. Come southwest now. They baiting, guys. Come southwest. No need to kick that gate, guys. They're baiting us because we are many and they want to fucking open world us. Okay. Just chill. Just being chilling here. Careful. Ready. Over the wall. Northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Head. Come back now. Hug the wall fast.
Careful.
Yo, ready. Def front. Careful.
Bomb squad will be hitting from northeast.
Yeah. Careful, links. Just chill on the wall, guys. Let them bash.
Guys, di nyo kailangan lumabas, ha?
Chill on the wall, let them bash. Nasaan yung bomb squad?
Nasa northeast side yun, last. Or I have to go.
Pahanap na ako ng bomb squad.
I have to leave them.
Gagi, winawa chat si Lebron.
Guys,
Bomb squad.
Careful. Careful.
Yung Camland, far northeast din.
You ready? Over the northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this one guy. Nice kill.
They're hitting. Careful.
Come back. Wala pa. Chill. Chillings.
Bomb squad nasa...
Chillings. Now they looking. Careful.
East side yung bomb squad.
Ge. Huwag kayo magpa-panel dyan. Hit yung bomb squad dyan. Promise.
Direct east yung bomb.
Cross my heart.
So may babayan hit. Ingat lang.
Careful, they might look. Ito na. Yeah, over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch this one guy. Kill the guy. I'm just baiting you, my boys.
The war in north is gonna
Tumatayo lang ako dito
50%.
Yeah, careful. Try to repair that wall, guys. Try to repair that wall if you can. Def on the gate.
Nag-in ba?
Def on the gate now. Def on the gate, okay? Def on the gate. Careful. Okay? Ready. Careful. Hag the wall. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast. Okay, we chill. Come north now.
They're bashing the other side.
Come north now. Nabasag na to, no? Come north. Ready. Over the wall northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the northeast now. Hit. Then come back fast.
Bomb squad nasa northwest side. Direct north. They will.
Yeah. Come southeast now.
Upper
On
side.
me.
Careful.
On me.
Bakit ka nihinit ang Castle Black Lebron?
Castle Black ba?
Oh.
Bomb
Careful.
squad
Away
nasa
from the
still
wall.
northwest side.
Be on my south.
Where I'm spamming.
Ready. Careful.
Around there.
Yo, ready. Careful. Bomb squad might hit.
Maangat na onte si Mizuhara. Bomb squad.
Yo, careful. Bomb squad, nakikita ko na. Bomb squad ba to? Hindi. Yeah, over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, over the wall northeast now. Come back na. Def on the front. Def on the front. Come south. Come south. Just chill. Don't OC. Just chill. Don't OC. Just chill. Don't OC. Minamarkahan ko lahat ng engage tanks na pwede kong mamarkahan. Again, they can engage on jug, so try to cleanse the jug stacks, okay?
Balance paddle lang, guys.
Careful. Keep hugging the wall. Don't get curious, guys. Don't overextend.
Nalilikon sa sila ng one shot. May one shot sa likod nila.
Isang mabilis kaya tayo dito. Yo, careful.
Engaging.
You ready? Over. Yo, deep north is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by the tree now. Then go back fast. Go back fast now. Def now. Def. Nice soak. Kill this guy. Try to kidnap this guy. If you can, try to kidnap that guy.
You're careful.
Kamak na,
Bomb
kamak
squad
na.
nila
Nice
nasa
hit.
Squad na
southeast.
sa
Yeah, yeah.
Southeast, southeast,
Yeah,
southeast,
yeah, come,
southeast.
okay.
Nag-invinan, nag-invinan,
Yo,
nag-invinan,
come deep, come deep,
Stop po yung bomb squad.
Yo, run na. Hello? Move.
Na-stop ko, na-stop ko
Sinabi
yung
ng
bomb squad.
South is,
Stop
tatakbo
ni
na kayo
Jesse.
ng opposite, di ba? It's so basic, right?
Regrouping yung bomb squad north na.
Okay,
North
just
na. Pa-north na ulit.
hug here, okay? One on Darkane, watch the bomb squad and watch the Zerg. Ang dami natin wanan, di ba? Isa lang bomb squad nakikita nyo, so dapat salit-salit yan, lahat ng hit nila na-stop. Headbutting ka to ha, careful ha. Careful. Cleanse the jug stacks. You ready? Deep northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by the wall now. Hit by the wall.
Yo, careful, bomb
Ready?
squad
Def
is
now.
hitting from northeast side.
Hindi mo na-armor yung BS nila.
Def
Yung iba? Two down.
Nice. Ilan na lang din nila? Hindi pa pwede.
DA28 Zoro.
Yeah. Confident ako pero baka biglang magkanda
Yeah,
si Leche pag napos. Yo, Def now.
Engaging.
You ready? Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep northeast now. Deep northeast on me. Dead cam na. Come. Try to kidnap this guy. Nice hit. Come back na. Away from the choke. Again, cleanse sa front. Cleanse sa front. Careful. Bomb squad might hit. Yeah, ready. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast
southeast side.
Over the wall northeast. Kill this two. Nice kill. Come back now. Again, party 1 and party 2 full send only first, okay? Careful. Yo, cleanse to the choke. Stop that shit.
Bomb squad nasa
Careful.
southwest, southeast side.
They still might hit. Yeah, ready. Shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3. On this D-tanks now. Shallow northeast now. Okay, wala ako nahuli doon. Kamak na. Nag-hit na yung bomb squad. Careful. Nag-hit na yung bomb squad. Okay, mga 10
Bomb
seconds.
squad dropping around to the northeast side.
Yeah, they don't have engage yet.
Meron silang royal drop.
Come shot.
Give them space.
Come shot. So 8 seconds meron na. Come shot. Eto, tonod na clerical. Isa das na. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the shit. Kamak na. Yo, ready. They might look. Hug the wall again. Guys, hug the wall
Bomb
again.
squad there.
Careful. Hug the wall. Hug the wall again, guys. Don't give them opportunity to hit. Oh my god. Ready. Over the wall northeast na. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa nagda-night armor na to. Patayin nyo to. Kill this guy. Oh my god. Come back na. Hug the wall southwest.
Repair the wall.
Maganda may eagle dito tayo.
Yeah, they're hitting from bomb squad.
Kamak na. Guys, don't let them hit the front. Guys, pwede pa kayong malis dyan. Safe yung Zerg natin. D-tanks, you don't need to overextend there.
Nag-OC na sila.
Gigi, hayaan sila mag-OC. Maya tayong 30, guys. Hold out tayo. Careful. Ready, look at the gate shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Hit. Nice hit. Almost. Oh my god,
May
nabuwal.
northeast ata sila.
Come back na. Maya tayo mag-OC, guys. 9 minutes we hold. 9 minutes we hold.
Wala sila sa southwest side, so they will be northwest.
Lugi na sa OC timer yan, ha? Yeah. Lugi na sa OC timer yan. Again, lugi na sa OC timer. Careful. Ready. Look shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Careful, bomb squad sa southeast. Def nyo dyan. Hug the wall now.
Repair the wall, guys. Mga ditang sa repair the wall.
Again, puro full send muna tayo. Puro full send. Depo front. Oh my god. Sayang. Nilabas ko kagad. Come back na. Nag-fake lang ako. Come back na. Ready. Chill. Sino pinapatay nila dyan? Chill.
Bomb squad dropping around southeast side.
Chill. Ready. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tanks. Kill this D-tanks. Kill this two. Nice kill. Come back na. Nice pickups.
Naka-NB ka ba, Vincent?
Careful. Hug the wall, guys.
Nandito yung rip glaive sa on mapping.
Hug the wall.
Oh,
Hug the wall now. Pag nag-engage tong main Zerg nila. Pawatch lang pag nag-engage. Ilalabas ko to. Pawatch ng bomb squad, ah.
yeah. I have
Bomb hitting.
Kaya ko ba?
No.
Careful.
Nag-hit ng north.
Yung rift bomb, dalawa ba yung rift bomb squad nila?
Hindi, isa lang yan.
Dalawa.
Dalawa na.
Meron dito sa akin. Red pink.
Dalawa yan. Short
Game,
clip,
game.
invis.
Nagbago na pala.
Huwag masyado.
They're stacking.
Careful. Ito kung ilabas to, tapos mag-deep northeast, then go back. Careful.
Nawala sila.
Mamatas J-Pang, bomb squad now. Bomb
Nawala
squad
sila,
meeting,
nawala
bomb squad din. Careful, don't go out yet. Careful. Ready, shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Hit this guy. Kill this guy. Kamak na. Kamak now. They looking.
Napipick off yung nasa ghost ah.
Guys, def now. Def. Di tayo pwede lumabas. Bomb squad might hit. Guys,
Yo, yung nasa
hug the wall south. Just hug the wall southwest, guys. No need for you to get curious.
Umikot yung band squad ah.
Nasa northeast side yung bomb squad. Right side ng third.
Umiikot sila.
Sige, saan?
Dito sa...
Nandun natin pati.
Hindi, nahabol
South,
nila yung mga
south,
one-shot sa
north, ano?
S. Sa
Tumitingin
southeast
sa'yo, ano ah.
You ready? Over the wall northeast sa may jog in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast na. Hit. Come back now. Ready. Nice
bomb
stop.
squad hitting.
Come back southwest.
Careful.
Guys, don't let them give... Huwag yung sila bigyan ng
Nag-stop.
ng opening. Ayan na, hit. You ready? Over the wall northeast again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then full depth now. Yo, full depth now. Headbutt this shit.
Yo, bomb squad now. Careful. Bomb squad
Kakahit lang ng bomb nila.
Di, engage yun.
Naka-engage na yung bomb squad.
Kaka-engage lang, boss.
Dalawa ata yung RG nila, boss.
Isa lang yan eh.
Hindi, dalawa. Nakita.
Dalawa yan,
Dalawa.
pero same
Nag-trigger
yung
ako.
sinastock nila. Nag-stock
O
nila at
di
the same
bali
place.
isang ano lang yun.
Tubo.
Hindi naman sila
Ay, bro,
nag-iwalay ng bomb squad na ito.
Deep.
Kasi kanina pa dalawang engages lang nakikita ako, guys. Hindi naman nagtatlo, di ba?
Dalawang bomb squad sila, so.
Kaya nga, pero dalawang bomb squad na
Nakapatay na si
nagsasabay.
May OP bro ah. Sinabihan ko na
Yun yung sinabi ko. Nag-dip siya eh. Kidnap na.
Ayan
Bomb
sila.
squad
Ayan
inside
sila.
ready.
Looking.
Yeah, ready.
Semi bomb.
Careful. Ready, shallow north
Yo, bomb squad is
4, 3,
invading now. Another bomb squad.
Full depth now. Come back. 5 minutes more, OC na tayo. Ready your food, Sai. Hug the wall southwest.
Ano, nag-hit ulit yung bomb
See
squad.
you dead.
Dalawa tayo yun.
Oh,
Mamamatay sila doon.
ano yung bumaba sa kanila?
Sabi sa inyo, okay
Namatay
lalabas.
si Alamat. Guys, mag-agdawol lang kayo, guys. Ba't kayo napapatay ng bomb squad? Anong problema?
Itong spot na to, lagi sila namamatay dito. Paulit-ulit na. Stay away from that.
Guys, just
Guys,
hug
if
the
you
wall.
see dead body, don't go there.
Hug the wall, guys. Hug the wall.
Ayun na,
Shooting, bomb
engaging
squad.
na
Yo,
ulit.
Def. Ready, look at the gate. Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Kill this one, ditang. Yo, ready. Come back pass. Yo, come south. Yo, stop. Come southeast. Basag na. Click the gate now. Let them in.
They're inching.
Come southeast nga muna. 4 minutes we OC.
Saka na yun.
Again, 4 minutes we OC. Careful.
Mas tighter yung chokes dito, kay careful.
Careful. Mas madali rin silang uli yan pag ganyan. Come. Careful.
Nandito na
Over
sa
the
right
walls.
din Shogun ah. Malicious ko.
Careful. 3 minutes we OC, okay? Careful. Pasabi, baka may bomb na ulit, ha? Diyos ko po. You ready? Hit the jug. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, bomb
Straight north
hitting
na.
from northwest side. Bomb hitting
Straight
from
north na.
northwest side.
Okay. Ready. Come back na.
Nag-hit.
Mga nasa labas, init nila.
Come back. Sige. Ayan sila mag-hit sa labas. 37 minutes natin in-hold yung first gate, guys. Kaya natin sila hold ulit dito ng 27 minutes. Dapat. With mages and all. Careful, guys. Mas mahirap tingnan to. Kala nyo lang over the wall, pero high ground, pero hirap tingnan ng north dito, guys. Don't get curious. Hanapin nyo ako. Stuck on me. Yo, na yung bomb squad. Careful.
Isa pa. Sa north.
Careful. Get ready. Over the wall northeast nga. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Come back na. Again, we full send always, okay? We full send always. Hindi natin kailangan. Pawatch ako ng bomb squad. Naka-ready cleric ko, naka-ready yung ano ko. Yo, one hand watch na. Naglulook na. Nice hit bomb squad. Oh my god, nice hit. Ready, over the wall northeast na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. Nice hit bomb squad. Come back. Nice hit, BS. Come back, guys. Come back, huy.
Inching sila.
Come back.
Glaive stop.
Yo. Come back, Dev. Ready. Over the wall northeast now. Wait. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tank now. Kill. Kill. Almost. Sayang, sabay. 1 minute NBOC. 1 minute NBOC, okay? Just chill.
Food is
Just
6
chill.
minutes.
Yeah. Hug the tower, give them space. Hirap
Gusto
na
mo
yan,
huliin ko
guys.
yung bomb squad nila, Zoro. Tapos engage mo.
Nahuli ko
Anong-
kanina.
ano ba?
Hindi ko na
Yung rip glaives nila, sobrang dumidikit sa wall.
Kaya nga.
Gigi. Pwede.
Sabihan kita. I-soldier helmet ko na lang. Tapos engage mo.
Careful, ah. Baka
Rip glaive.
Yan. You're ready over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Over the wall northeast. Hit the jug. Yo, careful. Def now. Come back na. Careful. 1 minute. We also okay. Wait. Just chill. Kailangan natin ng allowance.
Hitting sa likod yung rip clip. Oh, wala.
Nakahit ba sila?
Sila.
Ang tip
Hindi. Nakapatay ba? Ano
Pero
ba?
wala.
Careful. Give them space, guys. 31 we OC, okay? Careful. Ilan minutes OC nila? 20.
24?
Okay. Just chill. You ready? Over the wall northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Yo.